Google Chrome is the most widely used web browser and dominates the browser market with over 65% market share. But, despite that, Chrome isn't perfect and Microsoft Edge has developed over time with useful tools and features. These built-in tools and features have made Edge more user-friendly without the need to install extensions. Here are 10 reasons to use Microsoft Edge instead of Google Chrome. Edge has a built-in feature that blocks third-party trackers from collecting browsing data. You can choose from 3 levels of tracking protection, which include basic, balanced, or strict. Unlike Edge, Chrome does not have built-in tracking protection. You can request, "Do not track," in Chrome, but the choice lies with the website host whether they track you or not. The typical horizontal tabs can quickly get overcrowded if you often work with a high number of tabs. Vertical tabs display the tabs in a vertical row on the left side of the browser window instead of the top. This means that you can fit more of them on the screen without losing sight of page titles, and you can temporarily hide the sidebar by clicking the left arrow at the top when you need more room to browse. Edge has a built-in reader mode, which removes distractions and simplifies the content you are reading in a few seconds. You can select the option to adjust the size of the text and reading preferences. Although Chrome has its own reader mode, it only loads a small sidebar with the text and is less effective. Microsoft Edge performance settings include efficiency mode, resource controls, and sleeping tabs. These settings can help optimize battery life, reduce memory usage, and conserve system resources. Although Chrome has some performance settings, the performance settings in Edge are more customizable and advanced. It also has some extra performance settings that Chrome doesn't. There is evidence that Edge is lighter on CPU and memory usage than Chrome, especially when running multiple tabs. This makes Edge a better choice for older or less powerful computers. Edge is optimized to be more efficient with system resources and not hog up all of the memory. Edge is part of Windows 10 and Windows 11, so it doesn't require a separate download. Edge has its integration with Microsoft products, including Microsoft 365 apps and Windows Search. If you use other Microsoft products, like Windows and Microsoft 365, you will find that these apps integrate better with Edge. The integration allows you to sign into websites using your Windows credentials and access your Microsoft Edge browsing history and favorites from any Windows device. If you're concerned about how your data is collected and used, Edge would be a better choice than Chrome. There is evidence that Edge collects less data than Chrome. It collects diagnostic data to keep the product secure and up to date, and you can control how much diagnostic data is collected in the privacy, search, and services settings. Chrome collects browsing history and how you use the browser and links this data to devices and individuals, which can be used to personalize your experience. Split screen mode allows you to split the screen vertically or horizontally with a simple click. You can use the 2 windows to view documents side by side when editing, make comparisons, and more. This means that you don't need to keep switching between 2 tabs or monitors to view pages. In Edge, the built-in PDF reader has extra features, like drawing and highlighter tools to mark important points, and you can also add text in different colors and font sizes to the PDF document. Google's PDF reader is more basic and doesn't offer the same useful features as Edge. Unlike Chrome, which does not have a built-in screenshot tool, Edge does. Web capture allows you to easily capture the whole web page or an area of your web page. To use it, click the 3 dots in the upper right to open the menu and select Screenshot. You can then choose to capture an area of the page or a whole page. After you take a screenshot, you can draw or add comments to it, and save it to your computer. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications whenever new content is posted, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.